The MorePhotos team is proud to present our latest innovation for volume photography. Save time and money with our turnkey volume photography suite. Our data mapping system allows you to import data from virtually any format. Shoot cards can then be printed from this data. Barcodes can be read from code scanners, iPhone or Android devices, or any other video feed such as a webcam. Our system reads the student data and assigns keywords to images as they are uploaded. Background removal can be enabled, allowing your clients the ability to select backgrounds for a what you see is what you get shopping cart experience. Importing data is super easy. Simply browse to your data file and select it. All data is imported into our system, where you can then map the data to known fields such as student ID, first name, last name, etc. Photo shoot cards can be created in any size you want. You can add images, text, data fields, barcodes, or QR codes to suit your needs. Next, we are going to generate and print photo shoot cards for our sample school data that we imported earlier. The cards can be printed in cut stack order for easy grouping by any fields in your data, such as grade, then last and first name. ID cards are created just as easy as photo shoot cards. Again, layers in the card can be mapped to your data. The only difference is the new subject image layer type, which is filled with the primary subject selected during the photo shoot. Now we simply create an event to hold our images. For this example, we're going to upload high-resolution images and remove the backgrounds. For the keyword, we select MorePhotos Capture. This is the software we will be using in the field. Next, we're going to create a new photo shoot in the MorePhotos Capture software. This copies the data we imported earlier to this workstation. This process also downloads all images needed to create and print ID cards on-site without the need for internet connection. As this is an existing installation, our hot folder and file naming are already set up. We just need to select the target folder to save the images to. Custom file naming allows use of any of your data fields plus a sequence number added to the end. We have a couple of settings for the job here. Audible crop warnings let you know if you are too close to the subject. We will cover post-production cropping shortly. I have opened the hot folder and the target folder so you can see what the software is doing in the background. In this example, we are using a barcode reader to scan the photo shoot cards. They can be read from virtually any media device connected to the computer. Now we have opened the job and are ready to start taking photos. The data can be filtered and sorted. Let's set our filter to 7th grade and only look at the 7th graders. The subject's photographed indicator matches the results of your filter. Adding new subjects is easy and automatically synchronized with your online manager during check-in. I'm going to drop some images into the hot folder to simulate an actual photo shoot. Notice the files are moved to the target folder and renamed to match my settings. Images can be cropped immediately, or you can do it later with our bulk cropping tool. The blue line at the top is the headroom indicator. The green and orange lines are crop guides for 5x7 and 8x10. ID cards can be generated automatically. Let's take a look at the bulk cropping tool. All images for this photo shoot are displayed in rows to let you easily see which photos need to be cropped. Simply mouse wheel in and out or use hotkeys to zoom. The image can be dragged or again use hotkeys to place the face in the oval guide. You can even apply a crop to all images. I'll do an exaggerated crop to demonstrate. MorePhotos Capture simply stores cropping information for each photo. The original image is never modified. This allows you to remove individual crops or reset all. I have cropped all images to my satisfaction, and now I want to rebuild all of my ID cards. Now we are ready to check in our photo shoot. We are going to upload the ID cards for digital use and download the transparent PNG files. Our background removal service is second to none. Even fine hairs are left intact. Exporting school data creates small images for yearbook and school administrative software. Simply enter the target size and either crop or fit the images. File size preview is shown to ensure your thumbnails conform to your client's needs. As we removed the backgrounds during check-in, we have the ability to replace the existing backgrounds for the export. The school export is in standard PSPA format, which builds the index.txt file and folder structure used by all major yearbook publishers. Now let's take a look at the shopping cart and order a print. I have changed the keyword for a few students to 123 for demonstration purposes. The transparent PNG file allows a beautiful rendering of the backgrounds in the cart. Foreground images can also be used to create 3D effects. As you can see, the thumbnail of the product has been rendered with the background for a truly what you see is what you get shopping cart experience. Auto retouching and color correction can be applied before fulfilling orders. Our retouching process even removes those flyaway hairs. And best part? It can be automated when clients order retouching, which means their digital images can be retouched before you even know you have an order. No other system matches the power of MorePhotos. We are completely integrated with District Photo and many other labs. The fully automated cropping and background rendering means you can spend your time doing what you do best, taking photos. Visit our website today to sign up and see what you've been missing. Our friendly, knowledgeable staff will even schedule a complete walkthrough to get you up and running in no time. Enjoy more time, more sales. This is MorePhotos.